Say good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon. Okay, kids, what do we do first when we come to school? We do prayers. So, kids, join your hands. Very good. Close your eyes. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high. You can't get over it. It's so deep. You can't get under it. It's so wide. You can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Kids, rub your hands on your eyes, on your ears, on your cheeks, on your nose, on your chin, on your neck, on your shoulders, on your chest, on your stomach, on your hands, on your fingers, on your legs. Are you feeling fresh? Say yes, teacher. Are you all feeling fresh? Yes, teacher. Very good. So how are you all today? You have to say, I am fine. Thank you, teacher. Say, I am fine. Thank you, teacher. Very good. So what are we going to learn today? Today, we are going to do revision of wild animals. We saw wild animals yesterday, right? So we are going to do revision of it. So kids, I'm going to play one game. Okay. See, I have a sand. I have a sand basket and there are many animals hidden in this. So I want you all to find those animals and tell me the names. So kids, you have to tell me which animal is this. And if you tell your mama which animal is this in this sand, your mama will give you ice cream and a star. Okay. Are you all ready? Ready, steady? Okay. Just a moment, okay? So, here is a sand basket. And there are many animals hidden inside. We have to search which animal is inside. Hello, hello, knock, knock. Who is inside? Who's there? Who's there? Let me pull you out. Who are you? Which animal is this? Can you tell your mama? Which animal is this? Huh? Just a minute, huh? Which animal? It's a lion. Yes, very good. So lion is king of jungle and lion eats small animals. He's very dangerous. Can we keep lion at home? Can we keep him home? No, it's very dangerous. Lion stays in jungle. So he is wild animal. After lion, which animal is hiding inside? Hello, who are you? Hello? Which animal is this? Which animal is this? He has a long neck and a short tail. He's very big. Can Can we keep this animal at our home? No, he stays in jungle. Yes, it's giraffe. Which animal is this? Giraffe. After this, now let's see. Knock, knock. Who's inside? Hello. Oh, it's white and black in color. It's very fat. Which animal is this? Yes, kids do like this animal, Hannah. It's very cute. Which animal? Tell your mama fast, fast. Which animal is this? Very good. It's panda. After panda, which animal do we have next? Which animal is this? Look properly. No, no, no. Look properly. Which animal is this? A big animal stays in jungle. Wild animal. Yes, it's camel. Very good. After that, I found one more animal. Who's he? Black in color, dangerous looking. He stays in jungle. Which animal? Gorilla. It's a wild animal. I found one more animal. Who's that? Very dangerous. Who's that? Which animal is this? Ah, it's leopard. It's leopard. After that, let's see one more animal, okay? Pull it, pull it, pull it. It's not coming out. Very naughty animal. Come, come, come. Which animal is this? With a black stripes. Which animal is this? Z for zebra. Very good. Very good, kids. Oh, that's very good. You all did so well. Ask your mama to give you an ice cream and a smiley. Very nice. Now, kids, after this, Richa teacher has one game to teach you all. So let's see what she has for you all, okay? She's going to teach you about wild animals.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hi. Hello. How are you all? I am fine. Thank you. Okay. Now, let's start with the prayer. First, we have missed the prayer, so we'll start with the prayer. Join your hands. Close your eyes. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high. You can't get over it. It's so deep. You can't get under it. It's so wide. You can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Okay, sit straight, pull your legs, close your eyes, take a deep breath. Om. One more time, take a deep breath. Om. One more time, take a deep breath. Om. Open your eyes. Rub your hands. Fast, 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 fast. Rub your hands. On your eyes. On your cheeks. On your chin. On your nose. On your ears. On your neck. On your shoulders. On your hands. On your fingers, on your chest, on your stomach, on your legs. Feeling fresh? Yay! Feeling fresh? Yes! Okay. So now first we are going to revise the rhyme which we did last class. Until that, please parents, just be ready with paper, plain paper, pencil and gray color. If you have a gray color, you can take it or else it's okay. We are going to draw something today. हम आज ड्राइंग करने वाले हैं. So parents, एक पेपर, पेंसिल, इरेजर और ग्रे कलर है तो ग्रे कलर लेके क्रेयॉन भी चलेगा, वाटर कलर भी चलेगा. Whatever you have, you can take it. Till that, me and kids are going to do the rhymes. Okay? Chalo. Walking through the jungle, walking through the jungle. Who can you see? Who can you see? I can hear some noise. I can hear some noise. Who could it be? Who could it be? Shh. Shh. Which animal is coming? Which animal is coming? Which animal is coming? Yay! Which animal? This is tiger. Which animal is this? Tiger. Tiger have black stripes on his body. And tiger is our national animal. Tiger is a national animal of India. Tiger is national animal of India. Say hi everyone. Hi to tiger. Hi tiger. Bye. Walking through the jungle. Walking through the jungle. Who can you see? Who can you see? I can hear some noise. I can hear some noise. Who could it be? Who could it be? Which animal is coming? Which animal is coming? Which animal is coming? Which animal is coming? Yay! Which animal is this? Elephant. Big, huge elephant with a long trunk. Elephant have long trunk, gray color, and elephant loves to eat sugarcane. Elephant का favorite क्या है? What is elephant's favorite food? Sugarcane. Wow, so beautiful elephant. Bye. Walking through the jungle, walking through the jungle. Who can you see? Who can you see? I can hear some noise. I can hear some noise. Who could it be? Who could it be? Which animal is coming? Which animal is coming? Yeah! Lion! Lion! It's very dangerous. And lion is king of jungle. Lion is king of jungle. Yes. And lion eat small animals. Lion eat small animals. Bye. Walking through the jungle, walking through the jungle. Who can you see? Who can you see? I can hear some noise. I can hear some noise. Who could it be? Who could it be? Which animal is coming? Which animal is coming? Animal is coming? Which animal is coming? Yeah, it's a giraffe. It's a giraffe. See? Wow. Very long neck. Giraffe have a long neck and it's tallest animal with a short tail. And there are brown spots on his body. There are brown spots. See, brown spots on his body. Brown spots है उसके body पे. And long neck and short tail. I like the G of the giraffe. I like its long neck too. But the thing I like the best, the very best, are big brown spots all through. Giraffe. Giraffe. Bye. Walking through the jungle. Walking through the jungle. Who can you see? Who can you see? I can hear some noise. I can hear some noise. Who could it be? Who could it be? Shh. Shh. Which animal is coming? Which animal is coming? Which animal is coming? Yeah, it's a bear. It's a bear. It's a bear. It's a bear. Bear. It's a bear. It's a bear. It's a black bear. Wow. Bear loves to eat fruits. So bear is very healthy. Bear fruits खाता है तो healthy रहता है. You should also eat fruits. तो आप भी healthy रहोगे like a bear. Say hi to bear. Hi. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Now, everyone are going to do one activity. So what is the activity? You know, all the kids are going to draw today elephant. Teacher will show you easy way to draw an elephant with your pencil. So everyone ready? Are you ready with your pencil and paper? Are you ready with your pencil and paper? And if kids are not able to draw any shape or something, parents can help them. So this is very easy way. Only circle things are there, so they can do it. But if there are something curves which are not able to do, you can help them. Okay, parents, but try that. Whether they are doing, let them do. It's okay, थोड़ा सा fat, थोड़ा सा thin होगा, but let them do first. Okay. So now I'll show you. Everyone, can you see my paper? Everyone can see my paper? Okay. So now everyone have to do with me. Okay. Chalo. Take your pencil. Hold your pencil properly. First, we are going to draw one. Can everyone see now? Is it? Huh. Okay. So everyone draw one circle. Okay, draw one circle, everyone. Draw one circle. Yes, everyone are drawing. Draw one small circle, not too big. Okay? Draw one small circle. Once you finish, see, now from here, parents, you can help them from where they have to start. See, from here, you have to take little bit big and you have to join here. So from here, you will take and you are going to join here. You let them do. If they are not able to do, you can help them. Wow! Elephant we are going to draw today. Yes. Once you finish these two circles, hope you all have finished these two circles. Now, one small circle inside, we are going to draw eyes of elephant. And inside small circle and shade it. Shade it. Okay? Yes? Everyone did this till this. So first we did big circle, small circle, then down one big circle, then here eyes we did with the circle and inside we shaded. We did the shading. Okay. Then after that we are going to now make ears. Ears. So from here take like this curve and join here. And again from here you will take round and curve and take join here. Ears. Yes, everyone did big ears. Elephant have big ears, so you have to make big ears. Two big ears. One and two. Two big ears. Okay. Once you finish making ears, you have to make legs. So how you are going to do legs is one standing line, curve, and again standing line. Standing line, curve, again standing line. And here, one sleeping line, one sleeping line. Then one, two curve. You have to make curves like this. Can you see clearly, everyone? Okay, once you finish that, from here, now we are going to make a trunk. Eyes के दोनों के middle से you have to take from middle. Again, one more. And then you have to join a line. And then make a bubbles. See, you can make like this small also. Okay. So everyone did this elephant. Yes. Now we are going to do gray color. Wow, very beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Show me once you do, huh? You can click a photo and send on the WhatsApp also with your elephant. Very good. Very nice, everyone. Now you can, if you have a colors, you can draw, you can color with your gray color. Shade it like this. You can give a color, gray color. Elephant is in gray color. So you have to give coloring. Okay. So let's do coloring to your elephant. Let's everyone please color. Yes, everyone please color your elephant. If you are finished, just show me your colored elephant. Yes. एक मोटा हाथी झूम के चला, मकड़ी की जाल में जाके फंसा, जाल को देखा, देख के डरा, दूसरे हाथी को इशारे से बुलाया, दो मोटे हाथी झूम के चले, मकड़ी की जाल में जाके फंसे, जाल को देखा, देख के डरे, तीसरे हाथी को इशारे से बुलाया, तीन मोटे हाथी झूम के चले, मकड़ी की जाल में जाके फंसे, जाल को देखा, देख के डरे, चौथे हाथी को इशारे से बुलाया, चार मोटे हाथी झूम के चले, मकड़ी की जाल में जाके फंसे, जाल को देखा देख के डरे, पांचवे हाथी को इशारे से बुलाया, पांच मोटे हाथी झूम के चले, मकड़ी की जाल में जाके फंसे, जाल को देखा देख के नहीं डरे, पांच मोटे हाथी ने जाल को तोड़ दिया, क्योंकि पांच पांच मोटे हाथी स्ट्रॉन्ग थे, दे वर स्ट्रॉन्ग। पांच मोटे हाथी ने जाल को तोड़ दिया। Yes, very nice. Wow. Show me everyone. Show me your colored elephant, or you have drawn elephant. Very nice. Very good, everyone. Wow. Superb. Superb. Superb, kids. Well done. Teacher will give a clap for everyone. Very good. Well done. Very nice. Very nice, everyone. Good. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. You can finish your drawing and coloring and send your photo holding like this, and your face can be visible. You can keep your this elephant down and face आपका दिखना चाहिए, and send a photo on the WhatsApp. Okay, kids? Okay. Thank you. Let's send up for national anthem, kids. Let's stand up. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाए तव जय गाता, जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. Thank you, kids. Bye. Bye bye, children. Bye bye, children. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye bye, children. Bye bye, children. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Thank you.